you excited?
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, we decided to move the pool to this part of the yard. Didn't want it there originally because I thought it would take up too much room, and it does take up a lot of room, but over there is just, it's covered by too many trees, so that's no fun. No sun is no fun. No, Bunny? Is that true? No sun is no fun. Yeah. So there it will be. So, ready to put it in the pool or what?
Yeah, boy.
Do it.
Do it. So that's heavy.
It's the wrong spot.
Okay.
Good, you gonna test it? Without getting in the pool with your shoes on?
Okay. Isn't something in the middle here? Shouldn't
Nope.
anything come with that?
Yep. You're just gonna have to step on over. Isn't that neat? That's what happens when you get cheap pools.
I think I gotta do it a little in the middle. That's going to be rough. Keep putting that in. That's doable. It's all doable.
Yep. Keep doing what you're doing. It's looking way better already.
Can you lift the ladder quickly, please? Still. Wait.
Can't. Need to change the spot that I'm holding on to here.
Okay. Just one more time. That should be good.
There we go.
Okay. Ladder down.
Ouch. Fucking hell, what I step on. Howdy. Howdy. Bunny's gonna be the biggest danger to this pool, aren't ya? Yes, you are. All right, well, now we just got to get the pump set up so we can start putting water in.
Fuel's all stable. Looks good.
Good.
It's not. It's okay that it's not completely straightened up, right?
The water will help straighten it up more.
Yeah, because it's going to push everything apart
Yeah,
and
yeah.
stuff, you know. Yeah.
It's just good to get at least a decent amount of the wrinkles out before. Oh, Very good, very good.
Okay, let's see if middle
Well, let's see if you can get out.
is good. Okay. It's very interesting. Yes, it's like don't fall. It's also different when you have water all around.
Well,
so.
sure. Naturalish.
It's not the best. It's a little uneven too.
It's a little cheap.
A little cheap, yeah. So when you get into going out of the pool.
That's all right. It's only for one summer. Better than nothing.
Yeah. Wanna start the water for me?
Mm-hmm.
First drops. Holy shit.
Down in there a little more. There you go. Now, how long do you think?
I think we gotta do this at least tomorrow too.
Nah, that'll be done today. That'll be done today.
Let's flatten it out here a little bit more.
Yeah, once there's some water in there, you get back in, and then you can flatten it out better. And I think the food's here. What's it been, 3 hours?
Yeah.
Almost there. Almost there. 6 hours later.
Sure, honey. Sure.
Oh man, this is getting dark.
Be careful.
That ladder is fucking dangerous.
Yeah, be careful, I say.
It's not crazy bad, but it's pretty cold. Oh, fucking hell.
And now everything is just burnt.
Oh, fuck. Okay, I gotta go in. I gotta go all the way in.
Do it.
Or it doesn't count. Oh, fuck. Okay, that's good. I did it. Oh my god. The pool has been christened.